What's up, guys? So I know I talked about the male advantage in the last video, but I wanted to talk about how 27 is the most important age and the most dangerous age. First of all, 27 Club, most famous actors off themselves at that time. I mean, like the most that have off themselves has been at 27, and we'll put it that way. Um, it's the 27 Club. You can look it up, but yeah. So there's the 27 Club, which is huge. Like I mean, and most men settle meet their significant other at 27. Like the most amount, like most of the time they meet their significant other at 27. I mean, women it's different ages, but for men, 27. Um, and then what other ones? I meant like 28 is this. I mean, they say 27, 28 is the start of the male advantage. Just the whole like how men hit their stride when they're in their late like 28, 20, 27, 28, 30, all that like up to 30, whatever. And they kind of peak at like 36 or 37. Um, so you got that. Um, so like you got the 27 Club. You got most people meet their significant other. Most men meet their woman, 27 years old. To meet them, and then obviously, marriage 30 years old is the average. Age to get married. So 30, and then having kids at 31, 32, 33, whatever. So yeah, I mean, if you want, like, if you want to go down that path of like the traditional path, you can, like, at this point, like, women are more attracted to you, most likely at 27 than at 22, but it's still like, and you just got so much left in you. I feel like, like at 27, like that's like the very start of like the graph going up. I mean, you maybe it went up a tiny bit when it was like 25, but like it's starting to go up. And um, men hit, like I said, men hit their peak in their 30s. That's overall peak. So yeah, it's just like um, I don't know. I've been watching a lot of videos that like for me, I don't know. I wouldn't say I'm more honestly attractive than I was at. I no, I would say like, I mean, obviously I don't know, but I feel like women look at me a little bit different. Like I feel like not quite like I definitely, but I feel like 27. I did notice something, not something huge, but it was different with women a little bit. Like it's starting to shift. It's not even like I just turned 27 too. That's probably something to mention. Is like I've only been 27 for like 3 months. A lot of people say they start to have that happen a little bit later in like at 27, like you know um, I don't know, like so we'll see as it gets going, as I get older, um, and obviously hopefully growing and all that. But yeah, it's just interesting how 27 is the age that most men meet their woman, and then also the 27 Club. What other thing is with 27? I forget. Well, actually, the quote like most men die at 27. I know it's just like a quote, but it's like most men die at 27. Boom, right again, and then are buried at 72. So yeah, it's just like crazy, man. Like I don't know. It's just like if you think about it, 27 is a crucial age for a man, you know. And like I said, I'm 27. I thought I'd be a lot further along at 27 than I am today, but you know, life hits and life happens, and yeah. But yeah, basically, like, um, you know, like I want to see what's at my peak, and then like maybe settle down after that. But I don't want to like. I want to see what it's like to have like women attracted to you, because I literally I literally never experienced that much. Like, I mean, I've experienced like so little of that. So, and I have some other things that I'm working on too. So, um, hopefully that will work. But yeah, anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, hit the notifications bell. I'm gonna start posting more on here, just talking about my ideas, my thoughts, or well, they're not really my ideas, but things that I've been thinking about or things that I've been consuming. Just kind of like talking about it. So, talk to you later.